What's up guys, Blake from exoticcartrader.com, and I am standing here with a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is an original actual Mach 1 that has been completely stripped down and rotisserie restored. It was also widened in the rear. If you look at it, those are all new panels. It was literally stripped down to basically nothing, fully media blasted. Obviously, as you can see, it's got a tri-coat white, so it's kind of like a little bit of a, I don't want to say like a pearl white, but it does have like a little bit of a flake to it. The most amazing thing about this car is what's under the hood, but we'll get there in a second. If you come around here, you'll see, obviously, you have your 20-inch American racing wheels with Willwood brakes as the stopping power. They are drilled in slotted rotors. Coming around here, you'll see a few styling cues off aftermarket mirrors, this massive side vent, which is in tribute to the Mach 1 originality. If you come around to the back, you'll see all new tail lights, a full stainless steel custom exhaust. Literally every single thing that you could ever do to a car was basically done on this car. Another thing you'll notice is how low it's sitting. That's because it's aired out right now. It has a Ride Tech air suspension. For the most amazing part, let's look under the hood. Boom, that wasn't that bad. If you come up here, you'll see completely all custom, amazing sheet metal work. And the most beautiful part, a 5.0 Coyote crate motor, brand new from Ford. This is the motor that's in the 5.0 Mustangs, obviously very powerful, naturally aspirated motor. All stainless steel and chromed accessories. You can see the Willwood brake booster in there. Basically every single thing that you could do to the car has been done. Everything that could be replaced has been replaced, even down to the hood hinges that you see here, which are an aluminum machined custom hood hinge that's probably extremely expensive. Overall, this build cost around $150,000. It can be yours today for around $120,000, and you can save yourself 2 to 3 years of headache. Let's take this thing for a drive. All right, so we are driving the 1969 Mach 1 Resto mod. It's obviously a 6-speed transmission in this car, so it's very intuitive, or driver intuitive. Ooh, big buzzword. The car handles amazing. It's an old school vehicle, so you've got kind of like that heavier feel to the car, but it's very solid and everything like that. But with the full modernized suspension and drivetrain, it's literally amazing. You could basically daily drive this thing if you wanted to just, stunt. Powered by a 412 horsepower Ford Coyote crate motor, naturally aspirated. It's got everything aftermarket fuel cell, aftermarket brakes, like I said. But let's talk about the interior a little bit. The interior actually has seats out of a 2013 Mustang that have been completely redone, feel and look amazing. The door panels are custom, look amazing. All billet aluminum handles and latches. Everything on this car was custom and machined and looks awesome. Dakota digital gauges, the VHX edition gauges, those look amazing, look like basically updated. It's not obnoxious or digital looking, which some cars or some resto mods have, which I think looks stupid. You've got vintage air, which keeps you cool when you're riding around this hot, and a aftermarket stereo that bumps absolutely fantastically, if that's a word. You've even got the gauge over here, like the original Mach 1, that has your miles per hour so that your passenger, when they're holding on for dear life, has something to look at, a point of reference. You've got your Ride Tech controls right here on the center console, an aftermarket custom center console, again with matching stainless steel, actually I think they're billet aluminum cup holders. So literally everything in this car has been touched. New back seats, obviously, same thing out of the 2013 Mustang. This car is incredible. I was actually pretty surprised when they said it cost around $150K to build. I believe that's because it was done somewhere like in Iowa, so you didn't really have to pay that South Florida tax, as we call it. A build like this would probably run closer to $250 in a very high demand area. So the quality is just absolutely outstanding. The car is incredible. Check it out, log in, make an offer. But yeah, overall, just a really, really cool car. Check us out on Instagram at exoticcartrader. Obviously, check out our website, exoticcartrader.com. And most of all, have an absolutely beautiful day.